Okunye guys, awuvuki ebusuku ovuswa umngane athi nami naphuza utshwala. Ungavuki when you get a call from umngane wakho athi umngane asambe siyohlangana etshwaleni. Don't you do that. Ungayenzi leyo nto leyo. Story time. Ngivumeleni ngithathe. So this is one of the incidents ayenzeke ekhaya to my cousin. So my cousin was 21 years old when this happened, and mina bengu grade 5 ngisasemncane. So isetup esekhaya, it was a 4-room house at the time, whereas kitchen was giving cabin wezenke, and then kube stove samalahle, and then a dining room it was just the table and itulo, and then emakamereni the small bedroom bogi double bed, and then the big bedroom it was a queen bed, and then besine punch like eziningi because behlala sibaningi, like besibaningi for room, you understand. So thina abafana besilala like a dining room at that time. Sizobeka ibhontshi simise itafula ney'tulo sizifolde, and then siyendlale phansi silele. As silele on that day of the incident, my brother uzwa a knock, you understand, like go, because yena is a bit older, you understand. Ayovula. I'm saying my brother, but he's my cousin, but bengimbiza ngobhuti. So ngizomupha igama ngithi uSipho. So he was a good dancer, like bekuwumuntu okuthi bebaphumile, like uzovula isekeli, you understand, umuntu owaziwayo, like umajayiva nasekasi kind of thing, you know. So mngani Sipho vuka, you understand. Sipho vele naye avule. Ngavula ntwana kunama-BM, you understand, asiye ntwana khala music siyojiva nani uzophinda ubuye, because he's 21, like akunakuthi bazomthethisa or something like that. Asho vele ukuthi Tumi ngiyaphuma izokhiya, yabo, plus bekangibiza ngoboy is ukhiya, yabo. So vele nami ngihambe ngiyokhiya, angitshela ukuthi hayi mangibuye ngizokukotela ewindweni ukuthi ungivulele. Ngithi hayi sharp, uhambe kahle ke. Athi hayi sharp, ngiyancwanya ntwana ne. Mengasho kanjalo ngithi hayi uyazi sisonke nami sharp ngikhiye vele hawulali. Guys, 20 minutes was a lot. 20 minutes was a lot. Ujabulane, the guy that came to fetch Usipho, was the one running to knock again. And this time around, the knock was so different. Like on that day, I remember it vividly. Like, you know when someone is banging the door. Vukani, you understand? Vukani, boy, vulani umnyango, boy, kuyaphuthuma igazi. And the thing is, he doesn't say it ukuthi kenzakalani, but he's giving hints, you understand? Igazi, kulialiwa, you understand, all those things. And then we get to leyo ndawo leyo. So everyone wakes up. Kokwami, cousins, abanye abakhona, nabanye abasemkhukhwini ngaphandle labo mama, you understand. Everyone now uyavuka. Hayi bo bebavuka abantu bayagijima kuhanjwa kuyiwa lapha ema-BM. Guys, can I tell you ukuthi my cousin was killed because of iskipa lesibekasigcokile. My cousin was killed because of iskipa lesibekasigcokile, and because of the girls that wanted him. Because of amantombazana lawa bewamfuna, and girls that were screaming over him, because uthe bathi mekafika etshwaleni noJabulane bathi ufike vele waba umuntu ojivayo, wonke umuntu sekayamscreamela. And now leskipa asigcokile was like expensive in a way. I don't know how much was it at the time. And then nalendlela abukeka ngayo ngakhona, so it was a thing ukuthi bukilanga lakhe lokuhamba. So ngiyaphinda le ndaba le yikho ngithi guys, mawulele qhubeka nokulala kwakho, like don't you dare wake up, because mawuvuka like awulazi but lakho. At the time you are sleeping, umzimba wakho uyaresta, abakini bafuna ukufika emaphuphweni, but wena you are disturbing, you understand. Wena ufuna ukuvuka uhambe uyophuza and uzibangela amabhadi. So this is just to advise you guys ukuthi mawulele don't do that. Awungavuki ufuna ukuphuma ngaphandle, or umuntu makakuvusa ulele ungavumi ngawe. So yeah, so ubhuti wami-ke samthola vele alele edangalele lapha phansi uphuma igazi, and it was just a one thingy, one mhlabo nje bathi nje hlum kayi-one a hole, and the hole was like la ngasesiswini, so igazi beliphuma kakhulu. So nje kube yinto yokuthi nje dlum, and then nje kwaba ukuphela kwakhe nje just like that. So beshaye, I think ishaye ngase enhlizweni because isisu sila, and then ngathi umese mawafaka ufake ngasesiswini like wayangathi uyangaku-rape uyohlaba inhliziyo, because the way bachaza ngakhona nje like it was very quick, ile nto yokuthi phusha and then umuntu wakhipha iweapon wafaka umese just like that, kwaba ukuthula kwakhe. So yeah, that is that, guys. So ngiyanicela, plus especially nakule season very bad, so don't you dare.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhuda ukhuluma story sokuthi cousin wake washona anjani, wathalele nje namngani wafika wamvusa ukuthi abahambe baye ku groove, waphuma uvalelisa as someone lotobuya bamgwazela etshwaleni washonela khona lapho because of what he was wearing, nangokuthi bekavulisekele uwajiva and ma girls bekahlanya ngaye. We know ukuthi sidive kakhulu itori licishe efana naledi la khona umuntu bamlanze ekhaya kubo athi lalele walanzwa mngani uhamba wayetshweleni wangasabuyi. It's not the first time ngiva story lesifana nalesi. Uqinisile lo bhuti makathi kuyi bad luck lokhu, kulishwa nje ukuthi donsela amashwa because kufanele ngawulele bakini bafika ngemaphupho bakhulume nawe, but wena uvela uvuke uhambe wemgroveni ugcine uvelelwa tindo lengase right, dinkinga bakubulale bakwazi bakudubule because uvuke ulele isikhathi sokuthi ngabona ulele wavuswa wayetshwaleni. And in most of the cases akushoni laba labafike badokuvusa, akushona wena lo ufike wavusa. So he's just saying nje ukuthi iyouth ayibe careful, ungavuki ulele, ungavumi ukuvuswa ulele ukuthi nihambe niye grooveni. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.